I'm really excited because I can finally share with you guys this project that I've been working on for months. Hi, my name is Hannah and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I upload beauty videos every Monday and Friday, so feel free to subscribe and hit the bell notifications. That way you'll be notified whenever I post. As I mentioned, I upload beauty videos every Monday and Friday. Also, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I learned a lot about makeup and beauty through watching YouTube videos, which is a lot of the reason why I wanted to start my own channel. But also, if you've spent any amount of time on YouTube, specifically the beauty community, you know that there's a lot of different channels telling you a lot of different information, and it can be hard to piece together the information, especially the information pertinent to you. Also, if you're new to the beauty community, you might not even know where to start. Like, you see this makeup tutorial and you think, that's great, but I don't even know what they're talking about. I don't know what these terms are that they're referring about. I upload beauty videos every Monday and Friday, and I try to be as helpful as possible, but I wanted to take it a step further. And here's where the announcement part comes in. This is why I created a free course on the benefits of moisturizer and primer. I started with moisturizer and primer because I believe that those are the foundations whenever it comes to beauty and makeup, and I really wanted to start at the basics. In this course, I share with you guys the benefits of moisturizer and primer. I talk about different skin types and a lot more. So if any of this sounds interesting to you, the link where you can sign up is going to be the first link in the description box. It'll be the first thing you come across. So the link in the description box will direct you to where you can sign up for my free course. Also, you will be receiving weekly beauty tips where I, will share with you guys tips and tricks. So that's kind of like a twofold part of this project that I'm very excited about. You'll receive access to the free course and also weekly emails from me. I'm so excited. I can't wait to be able to communicate with you guys even further. So that's all I had to share with you guys today. It was a quick, short video, but I really just wanted to have a sole video dedicated to this announcement because I've been working very hard on it and I'm very excited to share it with you guys finally. So make sure you click the link in the description box where you'll get access to my free course. I'm so excited. Just a reminder, I upload beauty videos every Monday and Friday. I will promise Friday's video will be a little bit more in depth on the beauty end, but as I said, I just wanted to make this announcement video. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Also, feel free to share it with anybody that you might think would be interested in this free course. That would really be great as well. So make sure you feel free to subscribe if you want to stick around and hit the bell notifications. That way you'll be notified whenever I post. As I mentioned, I upload beauty videos every Monday and Friday. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.